This is a one-owner 2010 Dodge Dakota quad cab 4x4, 4.7 V8 engine, 110,000 miles. Perfect work truck. Super clean, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, in wonderful condition. Carfax certified, no accidents, one owner. Tow package, sprayed bed liner, one owner Texas rust-free vehicle. Tires are in good condition. You will not find a door ding on this truck. Very, very clean and straight. Gray cloth seats. In great condition. Floor mats. AM/FM CD. 110,000 miles. 4x4. Interior is in wonderful condition, never smoked in. So this is a 2010 Dodge Dakota quad cab 4x4, one owner, 110,000 miles with the V8 engine, needs nothing. Super clean truck.